Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's about 7 a.m. and it's Friday. The weather is beautiful right now. Hopefully it stays this way. Lisa's over there milking Bella. I'll have to turn the water on and water the pigs, or at least to Harold again because he's dumped his dish. Dang pig. You don't understand where I'm going without her. Think she's gonna ride. I go mow the lawn. Grass is starting to fill in now. They had holes here where we had the Christmas tree farm. So it looks like most of it's filled in. They're gonna plant up here by this pine tree. Gotta get rid of that chokeweed there. All the animals been fed and watered, and now I'm moving the hay elevator up by the shop so we can start working on it pretty soon. Tinker on it here and there. Can't get it working. And my favorite thing to do, climb the hill with the tractor, with the bucket in the air. But this thing's so long, I can get it up to the back of the shop. Well, there it is. Work on it. I'll lube everything up so I can take it apart. Needs a few repairs. Really a nice little project. And usable. Well, putting the trailer back over here in its spot for another day. Photo went to the dump, so the Ford's empty, so I want to fill back up. I have a lot of stuff over the years that was in the barn that got wet, it's no good, so try to get this place cleaned up. I think I found all the stuff that was buried in here. Just junk wood and scrap metal, camper jacks and stuff like that. Got a couple pieces of metal over here that I'll have to take up to the shop. Gotta find a place to put the metal that we'll keep. Because we need to weld something. And some metal over there that will be going to scrap. I'm attempting to put this manure spreader next to the Ford 650. I don't really like running this tire flat. I don't have much of a choice. It cannot stay here in the lane. Oh, there it is. Parking for now, we'll work on it later. It's been a beautiful day. I got a lot accomplished. Hey, Bella? Hey, the milk stand's this way. Okay.
Bella.
It's time to milk Bella.
Bella.
Bella's happy to be out. She's looking around. As Lisa milks the goat, I want to grain the pigs. Well, Lisa just finished milking Bella, putting her back in her pen in the barn. It's been a long day, got a lot of stuff done, and it's been beautiful. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.